Have you had problems getting your Colombian visa approved? Was your application rejected, denied, or marked inadmissible? Do not worry. In this video, I will explain why this happens and how you can fix it. I am a lawyer specialized in Colombian immigration law, and today I will share the most common reasons for visa denials in Colombia, along with practical strategies to avoid them or recover your case. First, the main causes of rejection: incomplete or inconsistent documents, missing financial statements, poorly written request letters or certificates without apostille or translation often cause automatic rejections. Inconsistent information. The ministry compares every single detail. If something does not match, your application may be invalid. Wrong visa category. Many applicants choose a visa type that does not match their real situation. Judicial or migration records. Even minor sanctions can result in inadmissibility if not properly explained. Lack of financial support. You must prove real, legal, and stable income in your home country. Now, some practical advice. Check the validity of all your documents before applying. Provide at least 3 months of consistent financial records. Use an official translator and make sure every document is properly apostilled. Include a professional request letter clearly explaining your purpose, duration of stay, and plan in Colombia. If your visa was rejected, do not resubmit the same file. Fix the issues, strengthen your evidence, and add a clear explanation letter. A denied visa does not mean you cannot reapply. With the right legal guidance, you can correct mistakes and succeed in your next attempt. At Servicio Legal SAS, we have helped hundreds of foreigners get their visas approved after a previous rejection. With over 12 years of experience, we know exactly what the Colombian ministry looks for and how to build a solid application. If you are planning to live, invest, or work in Colombia, get legal advice before applying. A professional review can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. It is also important to know that by 2026, some Colombian visa regulations may change. So if you are planning to apply, it is better to start your process soon and avoid possible adjustments in the law. Subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments. In our next videos, I will explain what to do after a visa denial and how to prepare a successful visa application step by step. Servicio Legal SAS. Experience, technology, and trust at the service of your peace of mind.